Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to bulk edit prices in WooCommerce at 2026. So actually guys, we'll go with a method. It's bulk editing prices using WooCommerce. Okay, so actually you will need to open the products list. So to do that you will need to go with left hand menu over on the products option, then just click on the all products right there, okay, on the pop-up menu. So actually guys, right here you will need to select products. Okay, so you can use the checkboxes to select products, or you can go with screen options on the top right corner to show more products per page, so you can add more products and then just go with apply. So then from the bulk actions, just go ahead and choose edit right here, and after that click on apply. So you will need to keep in mind that you will need to check the products that you want before you click on apply. So right here you can change prices. So in the bulk edit panel, you can set to a fixed price, increase by percent or amount, decrease by percent or amount, and let the sale price as the same option. Okay, so actually as you can see, these are the options, so you can change them and fix them just right here, and after that just go and click on update. So that's way we save changes and prices updates instantly. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.